ClickUp's import feature makes it easy to migrate from Wrike in a few steps. If you like, you can create a new ClickUp space to house your Wrike space during the import, but it's not necessary. To get started, click on your profile avatar and choose Import Export. Note that you'll need admin permissions to access this settings page. From here, click Start Import and then choose Wrike. You'll need to allow ClickUp to access your Wrike account in order to proceed with the import. In this step, on the left side, you'll see your Wrike spaces, and on the right, you'll choose how you want to map those to ClickUp spaces. You can choose to create a new space in ClickUp to import your tasks, or you can import tasks into an existing ClickUp space. In this case, the top-level folder will be preserved in ClickUp, and all nested folders and projects will be converted to ClickUp lists. The next step is to map Wrike users to ClickUp users. This will allow you to preserve assignees, history, and item activity. You can choose to map a user from Wrike to an existing ClickUp user, invite a new person by email, or don't import the user at all. If you don't map users, the data will still be imported, but will not be synced to a ClickUp user, and assignees that aren't mapped to ClickUp will not be preserved. Finally, you can choose if you want to import closed tasks from Wrike or just include your open tasks. You'll also be able to choose if it's important to import attachments from Wrike or if you would prefer to exclude those attachments. You'll just need to wait a bit for your import to complete, and we'll send you an email as soon as it's done. Now that my import is complete, I can see that 2 new ClickUp spaces have been created from my imported Wrike spaces. My Wrike tasks are now ClickUp tasks, and I can even browse through my imported subtasks. Wrike workflows are equivalent to ClickUp statuses, and I can change a task status anytime. If you need to make quick adjustments to your tasks after the import, you can always do so with the multitask toolbar. Hover over a task to select it, or even choose an entire group. In the toolbar at the top of your screen, you can make quick changes like setting assignees in bulk, changing statuses, applying dates, or even archiving or deleting tasks to remove them from view. If you have any other questions about migrating from Wrike into ClickUp, just let us know at help@clickup.com.